So just like they organize things within the soil, they organize things outside above the soil. I think they're organizing me and others to do the work that we do. I always talk about, the zombie ants that get inoculated by spores from particular mushrooms that end up doing the mushrooms bidding, and then the mushrooms grow out of their heads, in fact. So with that said, I think, the mushrooms and the technology itself organizes things above the ground too. And we're a byproduct of this big project that's been taking place for millions of years now, And so it's just still an interesting time that we're in. And we're just doing some reorganizing and realigning. And just like the mushrooms play a big part in composting, in breaking down the old organic materials to create new stuff. And that's what I think we're going through, one of those cycles, and it's supporting us in doing that.